Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today, we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new Pacific Coast pillow. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's go and actually check it out. Let's check this one out. Been needing one. Look at that. Really nice. The way it all comes packaged in here. That. Super cool. Nice paper off. It comes in this very nice bag. Handles on it. Go and open it up. Right here it is. I'm gonna let it expand for a little bit. Very nice first look at it. This one's the firm. I know they have like several other options for it. Very cool. So it's supposed to be good even for side sleepers, which I am. So let's go and actually throw it on the bed and check it out. All right, so as we make way for the new pillow, I do want to say it does feel supportive without being stiff. This one is a standard firm down pillow, so it's not that super flat, disappear under your head type, and it's not that super fluffy marshmallow type either. It has that hold you up feel, which is usually what side and back sleepers want. That said, I'm not going to act like I know everything in this couple minutes while I do the review. Pillows are one of those things that you'll need to sleep on for a couple nights to really know if your neck is going to love it or hate it. So I'll give it a few days and see how it feels when I wake up, not just how it feels right now in the moment. Material-wise though, the outside is 100% organic cotton and it feels smooth. No rough, scratchy cover. It's also naturally more of an ivory color, not bright white, which is normal with natural cotton. It's supposed to have that hotel pillow loft but still bounce back. Like when you move your head, it shouldn't stay smashed flat all night. This one also has a downproof layer, so the goal is you don't get feathered poking through or shedding out over time. That's a big deal with down pillows. If it leaks, you'll know it fast. It also comes in different firmness options, which I said earlier. So if you're a side sleeper and you need something to fill the gap between you and your shoulders and your neck, firm usually makes the most sense. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel as we continue to grow it. But if you guys are looking for a new pillow, definitely look into this one. If you guys are looking for ways to get free samples like how I do here, also double check the description. But if you guys are looking for a new pillow, definitely look into this one. Highly recommend.